Everybody, so today we're going to be doing a full living room vacuuming with the Oreck XL. Now, if you did read the description in the restoration video of this, I cleaned this thing out of bugs. So, the thing I'm worried about on this is I did not check yet under the headlight cover, and there's these, I don't know if that's supposed to be there, but I feel like bugs could get in there. So, I'm going to wait a little bit for someone to come home to help me with that, because I have a huge fear of bugs, and the first time that came out, I yelled, screamed, oh my god, I hate bugs. So, anyway, here's a full living room vacuuming. If you see any bugs crawling out of this thing, please comment down below. I tore the whole thing apart. I'm pretty sure there's no bugs in it. I didn't check under the headlight, so please comment down below if you see any bugs crawling out of this, but anybody else get this machine up and running? Here's my full living room vacuuming with the Oreck XL. It seems to be performing really well. Little update. We got the bags I checked because they were inside the machine when I got it. See if it's going to be over that. The bags I checked. There's no bugs in here. No. I also have a brand new bag in here. Or it came from that pack. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. Comment, like, and subscribe, and bye!